Hello guys, it's me again. This is unboxing video for Xiaomi Powerbank 5000 mAh Slim Edition. This is the guarantee. It can make sure that your device is original. You can check it on the website of Xiaomi, and let's see what you got inside. Okay, nice packets. See, pull it out, you get manual book, and this is the power bank, very slim. Okay, see, let's open this one, and you can see this is the power button, micro USB for charging. This is USB output. And let's see, you got micro USB cable. Okay, that's it guys, see you again.